What happens if you don't wash all the bleach properly? This seems like a basic topic, but so many people get it wrong. They confuse a standard wash with a professional post-color stabilization. When we apply bleach, we start an oxidation process. It's intense at first, then slows down. But here is a problem: persulfates can keep working for a long time, even in low gear. Oxidation is destruction. Think of a metal structure. Rust is oxidized metal. If a part is thin, the rust eventually destroys it. Hair is the same. If you don't stop the process, the hair keeps breaking. We call this over-processing. Just rinsing with water doesn't guarantee the oxidation has stopped. First, you need to rinse with tons of water. Don't just watch the clock. Feel the hair with your fingers. There should be zero grit or product left. Then, shampoo twice. Without shampoo, you won't get a real clean. But even then, the process is only partially stopped. You must apply a rich conditioner, mask, or a specific pH stabilizer. If you wash it off in 1 minute, you're hurting your hair. This is the moment of stabilization. The product needs time to pull out leftover persulfates, encapsulate them, and restore moisture. Keep it on for at least 5 minutes, but 15 to 20 is even better. Only then is the hair safe. Also, if you leave bleach residue in the hair, your next step, toning, will be patchy. The leftover bleach will eat the new pigment, leaving you with spots and stripes. I think you won't like the result. If you want to know more about hair, subscribe, like, and ask questions. This was Vadim Paradox. See you in the next one.